Also from the Senate, opposition senators continue to show support for Free National Movement leader Dr. Hubert Minnis by boycotting Senate proceedings today.
However, it was business as usual for government senators who debated the stem cell bill, among other things. Fern Carey has details of today's proceedings.
Leader of Government Business in the Senate, the Honorable Allison Maynard Gibson, described the Stem Cell Research and Therapy Bill as a landmark piece of legislation that is expected to open up a new frontier for medical research and therapy in the country. It includes the establishment of a National Stem Cell Ethics Committee, measures for enforcement and accountability, and procedural safeguards and requirements.
The bill prohibits 9 procedures, Madam President, such as those that involve creating and then destroying human embryos. I want to pause here. This was very important to almost everybody that we consulted. I want to say almost everybody because there were some persons who felt that because embryonic stem cells are more potent, I think it's the correct word, than adult stem cells, that the Bahamas ought to open itself to the opportunity of utilizing embryonic stem cells. We have made it very clear that that is not a path that we wish to go down.
The bill comes at a time of heated debate and controversy over stem cell research, especially as it relates to ethical issues. However, Maynard assured that doctors have been using stem cell therapy for more than 40 years to treat a long list of diseases, and she stressed that a regulatory regime that meets the highest international standards will be put in place to address those concerns.
The consultants that we engaged to assist us in preparing this bill and the regulations that support the regime were consultants, Madam President, that had been involved in preparing the regulatory regime in other jurisdictions, including the United States of America and Canada. So this isn't something we drug up out of our own heads. We consulted the best in the world.
Meantime, employment opportunities are also expected to be created for scientists and entrepreneurs moving forward.
We are going to train our young people, have our young people understand there's a whole new frontier. Remember Celinda spoke about the new frontier? Here we are now.
Fern Carey, ZNS Network News.